This is a very important section that was implemented this year. So this is applicable from 1st July 2022. The section talks about reduction of tax in respect to certain perks and benefits payable to Indian residents who are not your employee. So what it means is the companies have been in practice of offering a lot of vouchers, coupons, perks, benefits. Some of the companies offer travel packages to their vendors, to their customers. Now, all those things were happening for a long period of time. And this is a regular business practices, no dispute about that. Now, as per the natural law, any benefit received in the hands of taxpayer is an income. However, more often than not, people who were receiving these benefits were not filing proper taxes. They were not declaring this as an income. And there was no mechanism to do that as well. So it's not like people were doing it by deliberately, but there were no mechanism to do that as well. Secondly, if the company is offering the same service to an employee, so those perks are already being covered as a salary in lieu of perks and benefits under the meaning of salary under 192. So fringe benefits and perks and benefits are already covered. So this was one area which was not getting covered under the gambit of income tax. So this year, the government has decided to bring this under taxation as well. The way they have done is, whosoever is incurring those expenses, for example, it is a company, a corporate house, or any business payer who wants to give this perk and benefit to any person who is not their employee, and that person is an Indian resident, then that cost incurred by the business person is termed a benefit and a perk in the hands of the recipient, and 10% of such value has to be deducted as a tax under the new section 194R. The change that this has brought to business accounting is very drastic. So far, what was happening, if there's a company house, they could just book an expense under the head travel expenses, and which is not a perk basically, but a regular travel expenses for business, and they used to claim it as it is in the business tax returns. However, as of now, they have to maintain a ultimate beneficiary record of that expense also. So basically, if somebody has given a travel coupon to an employee and a vendor, so that employee will be subject to perks in lieu of salary if it is applicable, or it will be a regular business expense. However, in the case, the ultimate beneficiary is the non-employee external consultant or whatever business relation that person may have due to the regular course of business and profession will be subject to TDS. So the change in accounting records has to be that on every transaction and every expense record, they have to maintain who is the ultimate beneficiary of this expense.